Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable cross-region backups for VPS disaster recovery, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable cross-region backups for VPS disaster recovery, begin by logging into your VPS management console. Navigate to the backup settings section of your VPS dashboard. Select the option for configuring backups. Ensure that you have chosen the correct VPS instance you wish to set up for cross-region backups. Review the backup frequency options available. Choose a suitable backup schedule that aligns with your disaster recovery plan. Locate the option for cross-region backup. Select an alternate region for storing your backups. Confirm that the chosen region is compatible with your current VPS setup. Input any necessary credentials for accessing the backup storage in the selected region. Set the retention policy for your backups to determine how long stored data will be maintained. Review any encryption options for securing your backups during transit and at rest. Enable notifications to alert you of backup completions or failures. Confirm all settings to ensure they meet your disaster recovery requirements. Begin the backup process by clicking the Save or Apply button. Monitor the initial backup to verify successful completion. Regularly check your backup settings and logs to ensure everything functions correctly. Adjust your settings as needed based on changes in your operational requirements. Now you're ready to utilize cross-region backups for enhanced disaster recovery capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.